Hello ladies and gents, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to do an ECG or EKG. In other words, electrocardiogram with your Apple Watch right here, right now. But before I start, there's a disclaimer. This is not gonna give you the exact alternative to an EKG done through a doctor's office. So this is not a replacement of a visit to the doctor's office. If you're having any problem with your heart or see a cardiologist, go to a specialist, go to your doctor, consult with your doctor. This is just an overview of how the ECG works on an Apple Watch Series 4 and Series 5. This is not a replacement. Please consult your doctor if you're feeling any discomfort or anything like that. This is not a replacement for the ECG done in a doctor's office. So there are 4 types of readings you can get from the health app on your iPhone. You can get a sinus rhythm, which is pretty good. You can get atrial fibrillation, which is going to state that you got atrial fibrillation. You just have to see a doctor. You get a low and high heart rate. And you can get an inconclusive if you have other problems or the ECG cannot do a proper conclusive test. So again, sinus rhythm, atrial fibrillation, low and high heart rate, inconclusive. I would suggest that, and I've gotten every time I've did this before. Today I got a sinus rhythm, which is pretty okay, pretty normal. But again, let's see what I get right now after doing the test. So let's get right into it. So to do it, you just have to go to the ECG app on your watch, and then you press and stay still for 30 seconds. You press your finger. Index finger is fine. So once it's done, it gives you the reading. I got sinus rhythm. So that means that this ECG does not show any signs of atrial fibrillation, or AFib in short, which is a good sign. Again, just an overview. It's not going to give you the full detail about your heart condition. For that, you must go to a doctor. Once you're done, you can just press done. So to see more details about this, you go to your phone. Once you go to the health app on your phone, it gives you the option to export it as a PDF for your doctor. So you can just go there and export it. Just press on here, and then you can save to your files. And once you do that, you can show it to your doctor. All right, that's basically it, ladies and gents. This is how you do the ECG on your Apple Watch Series 4 and up. And I will not suggest you to do this at home and just think that everything is fine with your heart. This is just like how you check your heart rate kind of thing, or how many miles you have walked. Just gives you an idea. If you're feeling really bad or you want to check your heart out, please go and see a doctor. It is not replacing the ECGs in a doctor's office. This is just an extra option that technology is giving us, which is a good thing always. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. But I will try to post more Apple Watch content on this channel. And until next time, this is Kazi signing out. Take care, stay safe. Peace.